earth, and the rain falls all night like almost every night. And her daughter ran away from home at only 15 years old, and her rent payments a month behind. She loves her baby girl, but she's always high. Remembers how she left in the middle of the night into the arms of the world. She's up above the city every night, and the rain falls from her eyes. Mama's always on the rock, looks out a window and it's raining like crazy. Thought she saw her daughter, but it wasn't her. She cries, "Bring back my baby," to the wind, not sure if she'll ever see her again. Cries, "Bring back my baby," to the walls, not knowing where she could be in the world. She's up above the city every night, and the rain falls from her eyes. She's up above the city every night, and the rain falls from her